Hi, I'm Prince Kelly. I'll be using this video to introduce people to steemit, to show them how to do some little stuff on steemit, so that they can get into steemit easily and start working their way up in steemit. Now, the first thing I will talk about is register at steemit.com. Once it's registered, you go to your page. Somewhat like this on your phone also. Let's go to settings. Settings now. Here you'll be able to set your profile picture, your language, and things about you. Now I want you to go to this page, siteboost.img.org. Now on this site you'll be able to upload your images. Let me just show you an example here. You just use something here. Let's use this one. Select, let's say the same thing as your phone. Select this, let it load, complete. It will now show you your picture. You don't need to sign up and just choose load. Now it has uploaded the image. Now you look for this one, this directly. Click copy here, or you copy it here. When you click copy here, you now go back to your page and you now put it here as profile picture. Just click and paste there as profile picture. Do same as your cover image, but remember your cover image is supposed to be large, like Facebook cover image. So you have to make sure the image you're going to use is going to be large. Then you put your preferred display name, write little things about you, location. Then your website, you can put a link to your favorite social media profile. Put it there, and you see updates here in green. You click update, and that's all for setting up your profile picture and wallpaper. You can see my own profile picture here. You can see my wallpaper here. Now, after you've done that, this is what I will expect every newcomer to do. You go to this picture here, go to fit. See fit now. Click new or any. Now, as a newcomer, you won't see this my feed. You won't see anything there. Click new. You see people's feed here. See their latest post. And just click on it, on their topic. You read and you make a comment. Come down here, click on reply. And you type in your comments and you click on post. Then your comments will be posted on that. So do this a lot often for, let's say, a week. Do that for a week. Yes, I pray to do that for a week. Just go commenting on people's posts for a week to help your steaming journey a lot. Now let me go back to my blog. And this is my blog here. After you've done that, at least you see people following you. After you've done that for some time, see you have some followers and you can follow people also. Now when you see, let's say for example, let me just show you that now. For example, this one here, you can just click on a name or his name, so a name here, and select follow. Select follow here. I'm going to follow the person. So that's how to follow on steemit. I'll go back to my blog here. Now, how to write. You need to know how to write on steemit. It's very, very important. There are different. Steemit uses markdown for writing style. I'm showing you how to do that. To write on your phone, you see a pencil image. Just click on that pencil image. But on your PC, you see post here. So that you see pencil image or you see post, depending on the device you are using. Now let's click post here. Now you have your title. Let's say steemians. Now this writes your story. This is where you put everything you need. Everyone's your rights, your topic, your blah blah blah, your body, the body of your. Excuse me, very very basic. Now here on your phone, you click selecting them. When you click selecting them, it will show you. Actually, it will show you the page. It will show you the pictures on your device. So you select the pictures you want to upload, and to upload it. Now let me just try this. show you. Let's see this one. Open. Now it's uploading. It's up to 100%. Now you can see this. This is the link to the picture you just uploaded. So don't just tamper with this link. Don't tamper with it at all. And let's see preview. You can see here in preview the image has been uploaded. You can check everything you type in the preview before you post. Now here I will show you how to make pictures or any words, make them to center. Now all you need to do is click this right center, you close it, and you go back to the end of that sentence or that word you want to put in center, or the image you want to put in center. You click, open that again and click center. So you put a stroke here. So let me do that. Now you can see difference between the two. This one has this, but this one, the first one, doesn't have. So that's just to close the tag, show that it should just only capture this this place to the middle of the post. Now let me show you another writing step. Now to bolding letters, you just need to do this. Star asterisk, use your asterisk twice. Kelly twice. Now let's check the view. You can see that it's in as bolding the word. There is a bolding a word or sentence, just put 2 asterisk at the front and 2 at the back. Now to make italics, use just one. Let me remove one, use just one to make italics. Now you can see here it's in italics. Now let's move on. To make it both bold and italics, and in italics you use 3 asterisks each at the beginning and at the end of the word or sentence you are trying to do that on. Now you can see that. Now let's check preview. You can see that it's bold and also in italics. Now let's move on. Yeah, I'll show you how to quote. Just start with the greater than sign here and leave a space, then you write. After you finish your sentence, your quote, make sure you put a space or 2, so that your quote won't get into the new words you're writing. You can see here we have a quote here. We have a quote here. So that's how to make a quote. Sorry about that small letter. That's how to make a quote. Now I'll show you now to make headers. That's maybe heading of your post. Use this hash sign for the first one, followed by a space. Remember that, please. Followed by a space, heading. Just like that. That's spelling it. Just cutting the message. Heading. You can see now. These are first header. Now if I use 2 hash, you see the reduction in size. You see the reduction in size. Can you see here? The first one with just 1 hash, and the second one with 2. You can add 3, 4, 5, and so on to make it smaller than the previous one. Let me just clear this. I want to go far. Checking now to add bulleted list. You use your star and a space. Sorry, use your star and a space. Now let's see. You can see below here, made a bullet list. Now to add links is the most one of the most important one, because most of the pictures you're going to use aren't your own. You just have to Google, and please try to stay off ones with, what do we call it again, copyright issues. It's copyright. So just look for free ones without copyright. Now let's go into that. Now use this. Use this. You write maybe image source. You want to link the image. Close it. Then you open a bracket, a normal bracket, and put the link of that image. Put the link of the image in it. It says steemit. .com, and you close it. Now here we have the image source. You can use image source, you can use image query. Now if anybody click this on your article, you take them to this site in which you've put in this bracket. So anything you want to reference, it might be another page, like maybe you took something from not to reference it. You do this, put the image, you put the words you want them to see that they're going to be able to click, then you put the link in this bracket. That's basically the most important thing you need for markdown to be able to write your post on steemit. Now the next thing is tags. Tags are very important, and I think I'll talk about that in the next video. Tags is very important part of steemit. Let me clear this, leave this place. Thank you for watching. God bless. Share to others also.